Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A5 headlight. Before we begin, it is crucial to gather all your necessary tools. You will need a T25 Torx driver, a flathead screwdriver, and your replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, simply open the hood and locate the headlight unit you wish to replace. Now that you are prepared, let's remove the old headlight. You will find 3 T25 Torx screws holding the unit in place. Carefully remove each one. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action provides access to the electrical connectors and, if present, the washer fluid hose. Disconnect these with care. With the headlight assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, confirm the correct bulb type for your specific Audi A5 model. Gently twist and remove the old bulb from its socket. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Ensure it is seated firmly and correctly. You are almost done. Begin by reconnecting all electrical connectors and the washer fluid hose to the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the entire unit back into its designated slot on the vehicle. Reinsert and tighten the 3 T25 Torx screws to secure it firmly. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it functions perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.